Watch the video till the end. Subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Moderate mag. 4.0 earthquake 30 kilometers southeast of Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, India, on Friday, March 24, 2023 at 10:31 a.m. local time, according to the National Center for Seismology reported. Updated, March 24, 2023 5:18 Greenwich Mean Time 18 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Quakes in India, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi. Moderate magnitude 4.0 earthquake at 10 kilometers depth.